welcome back. So hopefully by now you should have a nice bowl of melted chocolatiness, and you need to line the dish you're going to use with some cling film or baking paper, but I wouldn't recommend tin foil. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to tip in all your broken up biscuits and give that a bit of a mix, and make sure all the biscuit is nicely covered in the chocolate. And then you can add in all your other ingredients. And you too might have a dog waiting to see if you drop anything. And then when it all looks like it's just a big lump of chocolate, you can tip it into the dish. Squash it into the dish as much as you possibly can. Get it really packed in. You can either do it with a spatula like this, or you can actually use a potato masher to push it down. I'm going to leave it out on the side for about half an hour and then put it in the fridge for 2 hours, and after that you should be able to turn it out of the dish, peel the cling film off, cut it into pieces and really enjoy it. Bye!